In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paths tool in GIMP. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, precise path and turn it into a selection you can use for edits like copying, masking, or color adjustments. First, open your image. Go to the File menu at the top and choose Open, then pick the image you want to work with. This loads your canvas and gets everything ready. Next, select the Paths tool. You'll find it in the toolbox on the left. It looks like a fountain pen icon. If you like shortcuts, press the letter B to switch to it quickly. The Paths tool is perfect when you need accuracy. Think cutting out an object, tracing shapes, or defining a selection with crisp edges. Now, create your first point. Click once anywhere on the image. That click places your first anchor point, which is like a pin holding the path to the canvas. Nothing too exciting happens yet, but this point becomes the foundation for your path. Add more points by clicking in other places along the shape or area you want to outline. Each new click connects to the previous point with a straight line. Keep going around your subject, placing points where the edge changes direction. Don't worry about being perfect on the first pass. It's often easier to lay down a rough outline and refine it in the next step. If you need more precision, zoom in so you can see the edges clearly while you place your points. Once your basic path is in place, adjust it for accuracy. Click any point to select it, then drag it to nudge the line exactly where you want it. As you move a point, the connecting line updates in real time, helping you align the path to edges or outlines. Take your time here. Fewer, well-placed points usually make for a smoother, easier-to-edit path. If something doesn't look right, undo and try again. Small, gradual adjustments are the key to a clean result. When your path looks good and you're ready to use it, convert it to a selection. Simply press Enter. You'll see the familiar marching ants appear along your path, indicating the active selection. From here, you can copy the selected area, apply filters, adjust colors, or create a mask, all with the precision that your path provides. That's it. Open your image, choose the Paths tool, place and refine your points, and press Enter to turn the path into a selection. Practice a few times, and you'll find this becomes one of the most powerful tools in your GIMP toolkit.